Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Great to be here again.
Today's topic is something very practical and honestly, something that many learners feel nervous about.
Ordering food in English.
Exactly, because it looks simple, but in real life, people hesitate, they get confused, and sometimes they just point at the menu.
Yes. And the funny thing is, you don't need advanced English at all for this. You just need a few simple sentences.
That's it. So today, we'll break it down into real situations you face in a restaurant, cafe, or food shop.
Let's start from the beginning. When you enter a restaurant.
First useful sentence. A table for two, please.
Or if you are alone, a table for one, please.
Very simple and very important.
Next, when you sit down, the waiter comes and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
If you need time, you can say, "Not yet, please. I need a few minutes."
Very natural and polite.
Or, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Now, let's move to ordering food itself.
Basic sentence. I would like. For example, I would like a chicken burger.
Or, I would like a glass of water.
Another very common structure, I'll have.
Example, I'll have a pizza.
Both are correct and widely used.
Now, if you want to ask about the food, what do you recommend?
Very useful sentence when you are unsure.
And if you have dietary preferences, does this contain nuts? Is this spicy?
Very important for safety and comfort.
Now, let's talk about drinks.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Or, I'd like a cold drink.
Very simple.
Another important situation, when your order is wrong.
You can politely say, "I'm sorry, this is not what I ordered."
Or, I ordered chicken, not beef.
No need to be rude, just clear and polite.
Exactly. Politeness is very important in English communication.
Now, when you finish eating and want the bill,
you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Or in American English, "Can I get the check, please?"
Both are correct depending on where you are.
Another useful sentence, "Do you accept card?"
Very practical when paying.
And when everything is done, thank you. It was delicious.
Simple, polite, and leaves a good impression.
Now, Daniel, many learners hesitate because they think they must speak perfect English in restaurants.
That's a big misunderstanding. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English.
Explain that.
If you can say, "I want chicken burger," people will still understand you. But if you stay silent, nothing happens.
True.
Confidence matters more than grammar in real-life situations like this.
Another issue is fear of pronunciation.
Yes, but restaurant staff hear many accents every day. They are focused on understanding, not judging.
That's important to know.
So even if your English is not perfect, you will still be understood if your sentences are simple.
Let's do a quick example conversation.
Good idea.
Waiter, are you ready to order?
Customer, yes, I would like a chicken burger and a glass of water.
Waiter, anything else?
Customer, no, that's all. Thank you.
Very natural and easy.
Exactly how real conversations sound.
Another one. Waiter, how was your food?
Customer, it was very good. Thank you.
Simple English works perfectly here. Daniel, final advice for learners?
Don't memorize long scripts. Learn small sentences and practice speaking them out loud.
And use them in real situations whenever possible.
Because real practice is what builds confidence.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode.
We hope now you feel more confident about ordering food in English.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't overthink it.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.